After losing our home, we had to find something fast. In our short RV life, this is the biggest pivot we've had to make. We're Ruben
and Lori,
full-time RVers whose journey took a wild turn when a tree destroyed our RV.
Now we're starting over, rebuilding life on the road in a vintage Minnie Winnie.
Thanks to some amazing friends.
Absolutely.
This is going to be our home, our temporary home for the winter season until we find our permanent home. Let us, give you a little tour. Come on.
All right, let's start outside here. First of all, we went from a 31-foot RV to now a 24-foot RV. So downsizing is important right now.
Luckily, well, not luckily for us, but we really don't have much, so
yeah,
that's not going to be a problem.
So this is my garage. I can keep a few things in here. My old garage went all the way through. This one is just right here. So I gotta be smart about how I stack things in here. Oh, forgot to mention, outside shower. Sometimes it's important in RV life. Let me point out, I got space right here for the stank-a-dank hose. So once we get caps, that's where I'm putting it. This is currently where we keep the stank-a-dank hose. As you can see, I don't have a lot of room. So when I get that removed, I'll have a little bit more to put in there, but very important to maximize your storage space. This is where I sit in the driver's seat.
So we got a nice little cubby hole right here.
Got an old school ashtray right here,
Bam.
just in case you want some old school cigarettes. Slight problem with the backup camera. We have no idea what's wrong. So it doesn't work right now, but I'm using the Force.
That's me. I'm the Force.
Yep.
So this is the front of the cab. Lots of space for snacks and all that.
Oh yeah.
Because in driving, snacks are important.
Ooh, we might need like a cooler for right here.
Ooh, that would be nice. If anybody out there wants to sponsor with a cooler, we'll check it out. We will see how it works. Oh, I almost forgot. We have these cool cup holders right here on the side. Love them.
Welcome to our crib.
Mind you, the inside is a lot smaller than our old one.
This is our temporary storage for our shoes right now. It works. This is my throne. Since I don't have a lot of storage outside, luckily we got some underneath, so I can keep some of my tools and some of my things in here. Not only you get access right here, but we can pull the pillows off and then get it from the top. So 2 access points.
Something that we didn't have in our old rig was a table.
A dinette. We always wanted one, but everyone we looked at, everyone seemed to just rip it out.
So now we have one. So it converts down to a bed as well.
Welcome to our movie area and TV area. This big screen TV. Also, we have some storage up here. There's some books back there, recipe books, stuff like that. My favorite part of this RV is we have solar. We don't know how much, we don't know how to use it, but we have it. And the best thing about it, it keeps the house batteries nice and charged.
We have actually a lot more inside storage areas than we had in our old rig. I guess the slide took a lot of the room, but we have a lot of stuff. Right now, we're just kind of shoving stuff in wherever. We have all this side right here still empty. Over the cab is just a bunch of stuff just shoved in there.
So
not organized. We're not going to show you that.
No.
You know what a cab looks like.
Just pretend there's nothing up there and there's a bed and you go, oh wow, another bed, nice.
Yes, okay. Let's move on. Kitchen time. So we have a microwave and we do have a stovetop. Our old RV, we never used the stove because we couldn't get to it because it had this metal top to it that would just lift like that. So you could barely put one pot in there. But we have a stove, oven, and we got this at IKEA. to put on top to give some more counter space. We have all this space up here. As you can see, we're just kind of throwing things in at the moment because we have no organizational things. Again, came with some plates and bowls. Also have some containers up here. This to go on here to give more counter space for the sink. But it's too deep. Sinks. See how deep they are? Ours were not even that deep.
And speaking of counter space, we have this little beauty here.
And this little beauty here. So we have all this counter space.
And space underneath. Right now we have the trash can there, but there's some supplies and stuff. We're gonna fill it with. We got 4 drawers. We got some big utensils. We got some mitts, and some pot holders and small utensils. Aluminum foil, bags, and then the trash bags and junk.
My favorite part is this right here. This is a reminder for us to chase our own sunshine, and we had to make our own sunshine every day. If that wasn't enough storage, check this out. Over the microwave, I was able to put 2 huge containers. It goes way deep back there.
One more spot for space in the kitchen.
Yes, can you believe that?
Underneath the refrigerator. There you go.
Just shoved a bunch of stuff there for right now.
Yeah.
Because we really don't know how things are going to go.
Yeah.
How things are going to work for us in this RV. But we're trying to figure it out.
We're just taking our time. You forgot the pantry.
The pantry! That's right. There is more storage.
It's got a mirror on it so I can see my beauty. Here's the pantry. Oh, bread, chips, spaghetti. So good. And a broom. Clean up all the mess. If you look down, it has deep kind of storage going down instead of just having one shelf right at the bottom. Boom, it goes even lower. Awesome.
When you live small in an RV or even in a small living apartment, whichever, storage is everything.
Absolutely.
And it seems like we have a lot of storage. We just have to figure out how to manage it.
Yeah, maximize the space we have.
Yeah, so all the storage solutions are going to be key to, like what baskets will give us the optimal amount of room.
Right.
So we got to figure that out. So when you see our baskets, it's all the baskets that we had. So we're just kind of figuring it out and working with what we got. Now for Ruben's favorite place, the bathroom.
Yes. Oh, look, another mirror to see myself. How wonderful. So we got even a ton of space in this thing. I've never seen it so big. These things we got from Dollar Tree. They fit perfect in there. You can put a bunch of crap in there, ladies. And man, we still got room for more stuff. How about that? Oh, look, it's me. Here's our little sink. Here's our little towel holder. Very fancy, see-through. And we got some storage underneath here. And for my first throne, here's our bathroom.
Now we are currently using the shower as our laundry room because we don't know where else to put it.
We're still trying to work it out.
A little trash can right there next to the toilet. We got our wipies and we got a nice little fan.
For the boys, it's a fart fan.
And now,
for all the magic happens,
the bedroom. I gotta say, we have tons of lights in our bedroom. We can have lots of views, which is a major plus. I love that. And plus, I have a window right next to me. Hot flashes. And another bonus, if you look up here, we have outlets for charging. So here's Ruben's side. He's got a lot of space back there. We're going to get a bunch of these. I think 4 of these would fit perfectly, or maybe even 5, and give him a lot of room for his clothes. This side is my side, and let me show you what I got going on. It looks a hot mess because these seem to fit in the area, these two sizes, but all of these are just, look, it's not maximizing the space. So I'm thinking I need to get a bunch of these.
We also got this little beauty. So right now we're going to share it. Got some of my stuff in there, got some of her stuff, got some bedding in there, but all this storage we did not have in our old rig, and we're kind of over the moon, and we got to figure out what to do with all this.
This beauty right here is our homemade jackery.
Oh yeah.
One of our subscribers and friends, good friends, actually built that for us.
Thank you, Tracy. It's awesome.
Yes, we actually made a video about it, but it was not, it's not out yet because we were months behind. So I don't even know if I even want to put any of those videos out. With the old RV, it might be confusing to other people. Yeah. And it might be hard for us, or for me. I do all the editing. Yeah. And so we'll see if those videos come out. This is our temporary home until we find something else.
Yeah. For right now, it's working. But
will it work for us? We don't know. You know, but it's what we have right now. It makes us not homeless. And thank you, Chasing Our Sunshine, for...
Deb and Joel, you guys are...
beyond amazing. We love you guys. Till next episode, don't forget to feel the free.